Have you ever thought of what dry chemical fire extinguisher is made of, and how it works? Well, this video contains all the answers to your questions. Let's begin. Dry chemical fire extinguishers are the most common home extinguishers. If you ask any firefighter what it takes to create a fire, you will learn that you have to have three things. 1. A fuel. You need some sort of combustible solid, liquid or gas. 2. Oxygen to react with the fuel. 3. Heat. There must be enough heat to get the fuel above its flash point. If there is paper on your desk right now, it is surrounded by oxygen, but it does not burn unless you get the paper hot enough. If you want to put out a fire, you need to remove one of the three elements. When you watch firefighters battling a forest fire, they generally try to remove fuel or heat. Either they pour water on the fire to reduce the temperature, or they try to bulldoze strips of bare earth to eliminate the fuel. Another way to cut off oxygen is to throw a blanket over the fire. Covering the fire with dirt or sand does the same thing. You might have heard that you can put out a kitchen fire by throwing baking soda or salt on the fire. Throwing sand would do the same thing, but most people have more salt in their kitchens than they have sand. Dry chemical fire extinguishers are by far the most common fire extinguishers in the home. They can handle all three types of fires you would find in a kitchen or workshop: combustible solids like wood or paper, combustible liquids like gasoline or grease, and electrical fires. The idea behind a dry chemical fire extinguisher is to blanket the fuel with an inert solid similar to dirt or sand. A dry chemical extinguisher sprays a very fine powder of sodium bicarbonate, NaCO3, baking soda, potassium bicarbonate, HCO3, nearly identical to baking soda, or monoammonium phosphate, NH4, H2PO4. These solids coat the fuel and smother the fire. Dry chemical extinguishers come in a variety of types. You may see them labeled DC, short for dry chemistry, ABC, indicating that they are designed to extinguish Class A, B, and C fires, or BC, indicating that they are designed to extinguish Class B and C fires. At USC, ABC fire extinguishers are filled with a fine yellow powder. The greatest portion of this powder is composed of monoammonium phosphate. Nitrogen is used to pressurize the extinguishers. ABC extinguishers are red and range in size from 5 pounds to 20 pounds on campus. It is extremely important to identify which types of dry chemical extinguishers are located in your area. Read the labels and know their locations. You don't want to mistakenly use a BC extinguisher on a Class A fire, thinking that it was an ABC extinguisher. An ABC extinguisher will have a label like this, indicating that it may be used on Class A, B, and C fires. Dry chemical extinguishers put out fire by coating the fuel with a thin layer of dust, separating the fuel from the oxygen in the air. The powder also works to interrupt the chemical reaction of fire, so these extinguishers are extremely effective at putting out fire. These extinguishers will be found in a variety of locations. New buildings will have them located in public hallways. They may also be found in laboratories, mechanical rooms, break rooms, chemical storage areas, offices, university vehicles, etc. Dry chemical extinguishers with powder designed for Class B and C fires may be located in places such as commercial kitchens or areas with flammable liquids. I hope this video was useful. Thank you and see you in the next video for more tutorials on fire and extinguishers. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials on fire and extinguishers. God bless you.